Today I am celebrating the DNA Discovery Day, which was famously discovered by Francis Crick and his compatriot, whose name escapes me now, and it was under the influence of LSD. It was in that moment that a realization was had, probably as a result of experimental data that they were trying to understand, but Francis Crick, in a vision, was persuaded of the spiral nature of DNA and how it was that it was formed and shared its information. So today I feel really motivated to include the DNA Discovery Day in this 365 day of festivals, because not only is it an expression of what can happen as a result of a profound vision. I mean, it's really interesting. There are lots of skeptical atheists who really try to live as if rationalism and materialism are the only things that exist, and they fail to realize that the very person who gave birth to the age of reason, the French philosopher whose name escapes me now, did so as the result of a dream in which an angel came to him and laid out the rules of logic and reason and the scientific method. So there's such irony about the fact that this thing that has formed the backbone to what it is that we understand about living beings, this expression of DNA, came to someone through a vision. It's a beautiful thing. I love the irony of it. And it's fascinating that, after that discovery, we began to think that everything was the result of genetics. And finally, we managed to put together the entirety of the genetic code for human beings and then realized, oh dear, this isn't anywhere near complex enough to be able to explain the enormous diversity of human beings. And so we've had to go back to the drawing board on that one, and the field of epigenetics has grown up. And I suspect that even there we will find that epigenetics are not sufficient either to explain the enormous diversity of what it is to be a living organism. But still, DNA has undoubtedly played an enormous role in evolution as we understand it, and so I feel it's very much worthy of credit for a day worth celebrating in our human experience. So here's to DNA Discovery Day.